Hi friends, we are close to finishing another kitchen. What we've done in this house is mainly the kitchen and the arch. If you can come this side and show them. Come. So the way we planned this kitchen is we wanted it to be a little cohesive and flow into the kitchen. So we made an arch going right there with some lights in it. For a partition, we did a mirror showcase unit with a rose gold door, aluminum rose gold door with some soft closures, and we continued the arch all the way on the side. So this is the back. This is the back of the kitchen. We have the counter here. This is made from quartz. It's a color called Cosmos quartz. Here is the place for the fridge to come in. We have soft closure, windows on top, the shutters, two big shutters. We've used acrylic on the shutter tops, and there's a door here to keep your boxes, and these four are tandem boxes, all from Blum, soft closure tandem boxes. We have some accent lights going below, and then this is the front of the kitchen. Okay, this is the front of the kitchen. Eventually this hob will change. We have two doors with full length storage space inside. We have two here, and we have one big for the crockery. The sink area is here. We put a Kohler tap. The sink is within, so that this area doesn't become dirty. So this area remains clean once the net come out. We have three drawers here. We have the sink area. There's going to be a underwater sink here. Sorry, under cabinet sink here. There's a storage space. There's a bottle pull out. We have the crockery unit. Sorry, the cutlery unit. All Blum soft closures. So that's the new kitchen. We are very close to handover. Not complete yet. There are some fine touches that needs to be done. So we'll probably see you when we are done with all the fine finishes. All right. Thank you.